What's up, world? Thanks for jumping in for another ride. Really quick, I've had a lot of questions since I started this channel because I use K&N filters. I've used K&N filters since the early 90s. I'm not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I'm not supporting K&N filters. They haven't given me anything. Anything I've ever used from K&N filters, I pay for out of my pocket. I've had a lot of people express concerns about issues with dust and dirt bypassing K&N filters, and I've heard this from a lot of people. I have technicians that work in factory dealerships, mechanics in small shops, mom and pop auto parts stores, and I've heard a lot of concerns about this. And here's my experience. I'm not telling you what works for you or what works for anyone else. I'm just going to give you my honest evaluation of using a K&N filter. And I've had a lot of K&N filters on a lot of different vehicles. So I don't personally think that's an issue with dust and dirt bypassing the filter. My experience has shown me, and especially on diesel trucks, that the issue comes from the actual sealing surface around the filters. A lot of times the rubber seals are not quite as large. I don't know if it's a situation to where a lot of the paper filters have more of a spongy, for lack of a better terms, material around it versus this hard rubber. But here's what I have personally figured out and what has worked for me. This K&N sealant grease is absolutely great. Since I've been using it, and again, I've been using this since probably the mid-90s that I started using this grease. I've never had any problems with any sort of dust, debris, dirt, sand, whatever it is, bypassing the filters. And for like a panel filter like this, it's super simple. And there's a lot of applications for this. And if you're just doing this, for your own personal use or even a small shop or garage, this stuff will last forever. This is actually a 6-ounce tube, and as you can see, I've had this one forever because it's not even the same label anymore, and the package is actually turning yellow. It is sort of this consistency here, like a almost like a light axle grease, and it's super easy to use. Just put a small layer around the sealing surface of it, and then whenever you go to clean the filter with your recharge kit, all you have to do is just take a clean rag, wipe this down, maybe something like a little soap and water. The cleaning recharge kit will work fine to get this off. Dish soap will work fine. Simple Green works absolutely great, and it's biodegradable. That's really what I like to use for this grease, is just Simple Green and a good rag. But that is my absolute solution for the issue of anything bypassing a K&N filter. Again, I'm just telling you what works for me, so give it a try, see if it works for you. Hope it works out for you. If the videos helped you out, listen, I really appreciate you watching. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Also, I know I can't be consistent all the time. I'm just a regular guy working out of a shop behind my house, and I do have a full-time job. So please hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified anytime we upload a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again for another ride.